Most people spend more than 70% of their time in buildings where the only fresh air comes from air conditioning or ventilation systems. To ensure that the air is clean and particle and bacteria-free, these systems must be cleaned regularly. Standards for maximum dust content of 1 gram per square meter are being set, which need professional duct cleaning equipment to reach. Equipment that we at Den Duct Clean are well known for delivering. Duct cleaning is about people who depend on clean air. Den Duct Clean exports to more than 30 countries through distributors and service centers around the world and through a US-based daughter company. At our headquarters in Herning, Denmark, we have the world's largest training facility, exclusively for commercial and technical training of customers and partners in the growing industry of indoor air quality. At Den Duct Clean, we have developed a computer system that can assist you in calculating the price of a cleaning project. The program adapts to local conditions and has variable parameters, so you can incorporate your own know-how and experience. As part of our training program, customers will be introduced to the computer-based calculation program, which makes calculation of estimates for cleaning projects simpler and more reliable. Den Duct Clean offers a complete range of equipment to the duct cleaning industry. The first step before tendering for a cleaning job is to inspect the system. The inspection vehicle is the tool that demonstrates the problem to your customers and guarantees that you have completed the job. It is remote controlled from the control box using a joystick, and pictures from inside the duct can be seen on a color monitor and recorded on video. Zoning balloons are used to seal off sections of the duct, which can then be cleaned without disturbing the flow of air to people in other areas. Our powerful ventilator with a built-in roto-clean system prevents unnecessary downtime and gives sufficient negative airflow to extract all dust from the system into a double HEPA filter. The ventilator can be used in all environments, from industry to hospitals. The PD4 power drill is used to clean narrower ducts. Just plug it into a single-phase power supply, clean the duct and move to the next room without the loss of valuable time. To clean larger ducts, we recommend our DC4 duct cleaner with a flexible shaft up to 30 meters in length. The automatic reversing system provides the ideal solution to cleaning square ducts. The soft brushes can also be used in insulated ducts, and the high rotation speed will always center the brush in the duct, both horizontally and vertically. For completely automated work, our multi-purpose robot gives you all the advantages you need to be the leading duct cleaner in your market. With the automatic lift arm, you can adjust the height of the cleaning brushes during the cleaning process. This flexibility enables you to clean ducts from 150 millimeters to an astonishing 1.1 meters in one operation. As well as cleaning brushes for both round and square ducts, the robot is equipped with a magnetic valve at the rear, which enables the application of a strong coating to the duct. All operations are controlled from the control box, and images from the cleaning process can be viewed on the color monitor with built-in video recorder. The multi-purpose robot is equipped with 2 video cameras, a color camera with a wide-angle lens to show pictures of the cleaning operation, and a rear camera for retrieval of the robot from the system. In cooperation with one of Europe's largest research and development centres, Duct Clean has developed a worldwide patented air nozzle system with a built-in camera. Cleaning with air nozzle systems has always been regarded as less efficient than rotating brushes, since the operator had no control of the direction of the air nozzle or the cleaning process. The new intelligent air nozzle lets you control the direction of movement horizontally or vertically, even in rectangular ductwork. The image from the miniature camera is shown on a monitor, and cleaning or inspection can be recorded as desired. Duct cleaning is about people who depend on reliable equipment. Duct Clean, your best choice of equipment.